So here's a new Mercedes that we just tinted with 35% ceramic tint all the way around. And one of the things about these Mercedes and also Lexus vehicles, the newer ones, is a lot of their electronic computer components are in the trunk. And when we tint the back windshield on these vehicles, if you don't prepare for it and take precautions, the solution that we use to apply the tint can actually leak down onto the computer modules in the trunk, and then you'll have issues where the vehicle won't sense the wireless key fob and stuff like that. So that's one of the things that we know we have to take into account when we're doing these vehicles. But anyway, this new Mercedes turned out great. Like I said, we did 35% ceramic all the way around to give it a nice classy look and also protect the interior from UV rays and also keep the passengers nice and cool, because the ceramic does block a lot more heat than just standard regular window tint.